me, the baby voice. We're growing smarter, one book, one song, one rhyme at a time. This week's treasured reader is Tori! Tori reads every night with her dad before bed. Yay, Tori! And if you want to be the treasured reader of the week, like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about your reading adventure. And it could be you. Does everybody know what time it is? Yes, you do! It's time to learn! Today, we're learning about numbers! Numbers are fun and we need them every day. Can you count with me? Let's get ready. 0, 0. 1, 1. 2, 2. 3, 3. 4, 4. 5, 5. 6, 6. 7, 7. 8, 8. 9, 9. 10, 10. Let's look at some examples of the numbers. Count with me. 0. There's nothing there. 0. 1 puppy. 0. 1, 2 kittens. 0. 1, 2, 3 birds. 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 lion cubs. 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bunnies. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elephants. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 koalas. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 leopard cubs. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bear cubs. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 butterflies. Watch for the surprise pattern. Do you see it? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next row. Go backwards. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look at it. 0 plus 9 equals 9. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 2 plus 7 equals 9. 3 plus 6 equals 9. And 4 plus 5 equals 9. They all equal 9. These are just some of the numbers you will learn. So glad you came here today. We're here to celebrate you. Yay, you! We'll see you